Sometimes, in order to clean things up, you've got to make a little bit of a mess first. I've been told to go somewhere where I can be protected. The lawnmower is throwing stuff, and I had a chunk of wood go pshoo, right by my face. So now I am hiding on the other side of the garden while the lawn mowing gets finished. Hey there! It is Sunday, July 17th, and these potatoes have really died back. We've got more potatoes that are growing, and while they flowered and died back, it then shot up new shoots, so we're gonna leave those. But these two buckets, we're gonna harvest. So let's see if there's gold in this dirt. We're gonna dump our buckets onto a tarp. That way we can make sure that we get any goodness that's inside there. This tarp was wadded up inside a bucket and full of gross water that was stagnant and like roaches and all kinds of stuff. So before we dump them, we're gonna just rinse this off real fast. Side note, we have lived here for 2 years this November, and we keep uncovering glass in our backyard. We don't know where it comes from. We pick it up, we throw it away, we get rid of it, and then we come out here and find more glass. I have heard that the soil will work things up. Like if you get rocks out of your yard and then a few months later you find more rocks in your yard, it's because the soil will push things up out of it. That's just our only guess, is somehow all this glass is working its way up and out of the soil because we're back here and we're working in it and we're walking in it and we're doing things, so the soil is trying to just get rid of its debris. I don't know. It might be illogical thinking, but it totally makes sense to me. Okay, I'm super excited. I hope there's something good in here. Let's see.
I see one.
I see one, but I don't know if that's a seed potato. Should I like that? I think that was the seed potato.
Okay, well now we know. Leave the other ones, yeah.
So you want to leave the other one going still?
Yeah, I want to leave them all.
Okay.
Super cool though.
The one thing I want to show, So this one flowered and died back, but then look, it started shooting up just in the past week, this new growth. It left us to wonder, are they still growing? Are they done growing? I guess that kind of is our answer, that they were still going.
No.
No. Just pop it off?
Yeah.
One bucket, which I'm pretty sure we put maybe 4 seed potatoes in, gave us the same in return. Wah, wah. But it's all a lesson, so now we'll leave the other bucket and we'll leave the other ones going and we'll just keep on watching them. Yay! Either way, I'm super excited and super happy. Now I learned something. I'm new to gardening. I'm definitely new to potatoes. This is a lesson. New growth, maybe we'll just leave them going a little bit longer. Although these cute little round potatoes, I'm definitely gonna have with dinner tonight. I thank so much for watching. I hope that maybe this will help you give a little lesson in potatoes. If you see new growth, maybe they're not ready. I don't know. We'll just keep doing as we're doing, and then I'll share with you when we harvest again, probably in a month or so. I don't know if the heat has a factor with it, if they'll just keep growing, if we just keep them going. Let me show you real quick how our other potato plants look. This is the other bucket that's very similar to the one that we just dumped. But see in here, right here, there's like a new growth happening with these plants. So while they're dying back and looking sad, we're gonna leave it going. Maybe there's something else growing inside here. Now these other ones, these have also all kind of flowered, died back, and then bounced back to life. Lesson is, they're not ready yet. We're gonna keep them going, see how they do, and hopefully have more potatoes next time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my cute little potato video. I hope that you are subscribed to my channel and like this video if you can. Leave me a comment if you got any advice for me. I would really appreciate some advice if you know something about potatoes. I hope that you tune in for more videos. My name's Danielle. I am the Zodiac Tiller, and I hope that you have a blessed day.